was related to the previous picture, but this one is quite interesting too, I guess. So Jack the Sparrow got really tired of being the pirate, and he applied for a job. So he started looking for a job, especially nowadays, you know, have the crisis and people are looking for jobs now. So he was offered to be a construction worker, because I see some really heavy machinery on the background. So he was like, yeah, I'm gonna be the guy to operate that machine. And then he got tired, and they decided to have a little chill time with his friends. And I don't know how to call this thing that they are sitting on that machine, but it looks a kind of, you know, tiny bench or something. You can really sit on this and then chill. So I guess he's having really a good time on his new job, being a construction worker. And I think that the events of construction are happening somewhere in a remote place, because I see that there's just like the field and some bushes behind. So yeah, I think that it's always good to change your career. You can do it at any time, from being Jack the Sparrow to being a construction worker. Thank you.
Excellent.